Imagine an AI agent, a digital assistant that doesn't just answer questions with simple responses, but actually does your work. Automating tedious processes, fills out job forms, sends emails, and handles real online tasks for you seamlessly. That's Runner H. Today, we'll dive into what makes Runner H a game changer, a true innovation, how it works, its limitations, and whether you should start using it now. Runner H is not just another chatbot. It's more than just a simple interface for automated responses or automation tool. It goes far beyond the capabilities of standard automation platforms. It's a fully autonomous AI agent, a sophisticated system designed to operate independently, that completes tasks on the internet for you. It navigates websites, fills out forms, and interacts with online services, all without constant supervision. Unlike simple automations, which require precise instructions for every step, you give Runner H a high-level goal, a general objective that you want to achieve. Like, apply to 5 remote marketing jobs on LinkedIn, a clear and concise instruction, and it figures out the steps. It intelligently breaks down the goal into smaller, manageable actions. Built by H Company, which has raised $220 million, demonstrating significant investment in this technology. Runner H is designed to offload entire workflows, automating complex processes from start to finish. Not just single actions. It's about handling entire projects, not just individual tasks. It's about intent and context understanding what you truly want to achieve. You state your objective, clearly defining what you need, and it reasons through the messy, unpredictable web to get it done. It adapts to changing website layouts and unexpected obstacles. This is a leap from tools that help you do the work, assisting you with specific functions, to software that does the work for you. It takes full ownership of the task, freeing up your time and energy. The vision is a digital assistant, a personalized AI that anticipates your needs. That handles the tedious, repetitive digital chores that eat up your day. It's about reclaiming your time and focusing on what truly matters. So, how does it actually pull this off? What's the secret behind its capabilities? Let's look under the hood. Let's explore the technology that powers Runner H. So what's the secret ingredient that makes Runner H tick? What allows it to perform tasks that seem almost human? It's all thanks to HoloOne, a cutting-edge visual language model that possesses the remarkable ability to see and understand web pages in much the same way a human does. Instead of relying on brittle code, complex selectors, or rigid APIs, which can often break or become outdated, HoloOne visually interprets the layout of a web page, recognizing buttons, text fields, and other interactive elements with ease. This allows it to adapt to changes on the fly, even when websites update their designs or structures. It cleverly combines the power of computer vision with natural language understanding, creating a truly intelligent system. So when you give it a command using natural language, it can intelligently navigate, read content, and perform actions across a multitude of different websites seamlessly. For example, it can effortlessly find a specific email within your inbox, intelligently summarize the key points, and then automatically create a to-do list item in Notion, all by visually identifying and interacting with each platform's unique interface without needing any predefined integrations. HoloOne isn't just blindly following pre-programmed scripts. It intelligently observes the environment, makes informed decisions, and acts in real time, constantly learning and improving from its experiences across millions of websites. This continuous learning process is what makes Runner H so robust, reliable, and incredibly flexible. It's able to generalize its knowledge and apply it to new websites it's never encountered before, with remarkable accuracy. It's the powerful engine that intelligently translates your goals and intentions into real, tangible actions across the online world. And that's precisely what sets Runner H apart, elevating it far beyond every other automation tool that has come before it. Runner H's breakthrough is its ability to reason and act dynamically, not just follow rigid workflows. Unlike traditional automation, it doesn't need pre-built connectors or scripts for every site. It just looks at the interface and figures it out. It can handle complex multi-step instructions that span platforms, like pulling data from an email and posting it in Slack. Previous tools required fragile chains of services. RunnerH understands and executes holistic goals. It maintains context across steps, chaining actions together intelligently. This is workflow automation, not just task automation. It's like having a remote operator, not just a remote control. That's why RunnerH feels like a genuine leap forward. Picture starting your day not with a mountain of tasks, but with a single powerful command. Imagine the possibilities. Check my calendar, create Notion notes for each meeting, and email me a summary of today's AI news, all with one simple instruction. While you grab coffee and prepare for the day ahead, RunnerH springs into action, opening your calendar, meticulously creating notes for each appointment, scanning countless news sites for the latest updates, summarizing key articles with impressive speed, and sending you a concise email, all automatically before you've even finished your first sip. Or let's say you're on the job hunt. Find 10 product manager roles on LinkedIn, apply with my resume, and track them meticulously in my spreadsheet. RunnerH diligently searches through countless listings, intelligently applies to each relevant position, and updates your tracker in real time, saving you hours of tedious, repetitive work. The core value here is clear reclaiming valuable time that would otherwise be spent on digital logistics and administrative tasks. It's fundamentally about offloading the work about work, those necessary but time-consuming tasks, so you can redirect your focus and energy to what truly matters to you. Whether it's efficiently managing your overflowing email inbox, meticulously organizing your digital files, or conducting in-depth research across the web, RunnerH seamlessly handles the grunt work, freeing you up to be more productive and creative. It's the closest we've come, in this digital age, to having a truly intelligent and capable digital assistant at your beck and call. RunnerH works best with Gmail, Slack, Notion, and Zapier, thanks to deep integrations. It can read, sort, and compose emails, manage Slack channels, and organize Notion pages. Zapier integration lets it control thousands of apps indirectly. More platforms like Google Drive, Calendar, and LinkedIn are on the roadmap. Even on unsupported sites, its visual browsing often works, though less reliably. Use cases range from automating job applications and data entry to scheduling social posts and summarizing research. Any repetitive cross-platform digital task is fair game. RunnerH's versatility is limited only by your imagination. RunnerH stands out for its contextual reasoning. It understands goals, asks for missing info, and connects the dots. You don't need to break down every step, just state your objective in plain language. It's a true no-code solution, accessible to anyone. For well-defined tasks, it's impressively accurate, navigating menus, handling logins, and inputting data like a tireless intern. But it's not perfect. Unconventional layouts, captures, or vague commands can trip it up. It's still a beta, so supervision is wise for critical tasks. Still, the intelligence and reliability are remarkable for a public beta. It's a glimpse of what's coming as these agents mature. Security and privacy are huge concerns with any AI agent. RunnerH uses OAuth 2.0 for account connections, so you never share your actual passwords, just revocable tokens. All data is encrypted in transit and at rest, and you can monitor or stop the agent's actions at any time. However, as a new startup, RunnerH hasn't yet undergone public third-party security audits. Caution is warranted. Avoid giving it access to highly sensitive accounts for now. Ethically, there's risk. Agents like this could be misused for spam or scams, so safeguards are essential. Using RunnerH is a trade-off between convenience and control. Start with less sensitive tasks until it earns your trust. RunnerH is still in public beta, and it shows. Some websites block automation or throw up captchas which can trip up the agent. There's no mobile app yet. It's desktop only via web or Chrome extension. Bugs happen, misinterpreted instructions, getting stuck, or UI quirks. Crafting clear prompts takes practice. It's a new way to interact with computers. These are normal growing pains for ambitious tech. The core works surprisingly well, but patience and experimentation are key. Think of yourself as a beta tester shaping the future. RunnerH is just the start. Voice commands, persistent memory, and team agents are on the horizon. Imagine saying, "Hey runner, reschedule my meeting," and it just happens. Future agents could learn your preferences, adapt to your style, and collaborate as digital teams. Specialized AI workers could be hired for specific jobs, changing how we think about freelance work. The vision intelligent agents handling the mundane, so we focus on the meaningful. Runner H is building the foundation for this future. The next decade in AI agents will be wild. We're witnessing the dawn of a new era in productivity. Runner H is free during public beta, a classic move to attract users and gather data. Every task you run helps improve the model, making you part of the product's evolution. But with $220 million in funding, a paid model is inevitable. Expect tiered pricing, a limited free tier, a pro plan for power users, and enterprise options for teams. Now is the best time to try it. Early adopters often get perks or discounts later. Using Runner H now is risk-free and could pay off if you stick with it. Don't wait for the paywall to go up. Get in early and help shape the future. If your work involves repetitive digital tasks, Runner H could be a game changer. It's perfect for job seekers, small business owners, marketers, and anyone managing data across platforms. Early adopters and productivity enthusiasts will love getting a sneak peek at the future of automation. If you're cautious about new tech or data privacy, waiting for a more polished release is fine. But for the curious, it's a powerful free tool that challenges what's possible to automate. Define your workflow, and Runner H can likely handle it. It's not perfect, but it's one of the most exciting tools in years. Try it now and see how much time you can reclaim. Runner H signals a shift from simple chatbots to capable AI agents that get real work done. It's not perfect, but the foundation is solid and the potential is massive. This tech could eliminate entire workflows, not just improve them. Try Runner H for free and share your experiences. The agent revolution is just beginning. Don't miss out. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one.
Love exploring the world of technology and AI? Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to NeoTechLens for more insightful and exciting content. Hit the bell icon to stay updated with our latest tech and AI innovations. Your support fuels our journey into the future of technology.